The biggest wealth transfer of our time is happening right now. All right. Yes, I'm talking about AI, but I'm not talking about just regular ChatGPT or Claude and stuff like that. There are things that are happening beyond that. I'm talking about being able to actually have an AI employee running your business. Imagine being able to have your customer service for your online coaching and course program where people could call in and be able to get help 24/7. Imagine having an AI employee that is going in, and as your leads are coming in, they're able to go ahead and not only text, but call people, qualify them, and then book appointments. Imagine being able to have an AI employee that can actually go in and monitor the Zoom calls or whatever your calls your sales team is doing, give you a report of how well they're doing, and coach them on what they did good or what they did wrong. All right, this is happening right now with AI, okay? We have a ton of AI employees that we have started to implement in our business, and it has been taking our business to the next level. So we're gonna dive deep into this. Before I do, make sure you click the subscribe button right now, because we drop videos about online coaching, AI, how to do auto webinars, how to turn your yearly income into your monthly income. So make sure you click that subscribe button right now, because we drop these again 3 times a week. So here's the thing. My name is Chris Bruce. I have been in the digital marketing space for over 12 years now. I currently today run a digital marketing agency where we focus on cracking 100K plus months. All right, we focus on taking people's yearly income to their monthly income. And one of the things that we've been using for our business, because we deal with a bunch of different industries, niches, clients, stuff like that, is how can we start to create AI employees to do tasks that are done repetitively. So things like email marketing, building funnels. Yes, that's correct. We've actually built the AI employee that can build funnels. We don't use it. We still have funnel people that are in our business, but it's been helping their workload be able to move a lot faster. We have AI agents that can build workflows and different things like Go High Level, our email marketing AI employee. We're getting ready to launch our sales AI employee. We have one that calls and books appointments, qualifies the leads, book appointments. This is happening right now. And when I'm going online, Instagram, I see so many people that are in this space, they're not really capitalizing on it. I mean, there are young kids that are like 18, 19, building softwares on, places, websites like Replit, Lovable, and Base 44, and they're selling them for millions and millions of dollars. So I want to talk about the huge opportunity that's happening right now and what you should be looking at, especially if you're an online coach or course creator. So here's the thing. SaaS, software as a system, or software as a service, as to say, those companies, some of them are going to start to struggle. And the reason why I say that is because the gap that it used to be from being able to take an idea of a software or app to an MVP, actually be able to bring it out, is starting to shorten now, okay? You can go from an idea right now and you can have it done by today. Like, think about that. This is where we have gotten when it comes to AI. So the thing about it is that there's an opportunity that you can go out there, and let's say you don't have to think about creating an app or software that you're going to sell. But one of the things that we do, the opportunity that you should be looking at and pay attention to, is that we create different software CRMs to add on to our offers to make them more desirable. So think about that. Let's say you have a course for $997, and all it comes is with training modules, a couple of different PDFs, maybe books, contracts, scripts, things like that. You give a community call, you do maybe once a week or whatever the case may be. People have already saw that already, okay? People have saw that, and that's why people don't trust things as much now, because they've been sold that same thing over and over and over again for the last 5-6 years. But imagine that same $997 offer having some type of CRM that does some AI analysis to it, that also does a task, like let's say for instance, you had a marketing offer and it can put a couple of different things in it and boom, it writes your webinar and the description for you. Actually, matter of fact, we have this app that we give to our clients. Okay, so imagine you being able to have that to add on to your offer. Okay, and this is some of the things that we do is when we build these in part of our offer. So now we're not just selling an online course or coaching program, we're selling a system. And when you get into the mind frame of selling a system, that makes it more desirable for your customers to want to buy from you. All right. So that's a huge opportunity that's happening right now that you should not only be paying attention to, but you should also be focusing on creating these different softwares. I mean, you got things like Lovable. You can create something that is beautiful, all right, in minutes. Our agency has created 15 different softwares in the last 6 months. Some of them we actually even charge a monthly fee for, and we're getting, our recurring revenue is building up from this. This is literally the idea we have, okay? Now, you might be thinking, oh, Chris, what type of softwares can we create? Well, there's so many, okay? There's so many. And we actually talk about this on our webinar, as a matter of fact. So if you want to see some of our softwares that we've built and stuff like that for our clients, make sure you click the link in our description, because you can see our webinar register for it, and you'll see exactly, I give you a behind the scenes look of some of the apps and some of the softwares that we built for our clients. And maybe you may want one for yourself too, and we can talk about that. So click the link in the description, make sure to register for that webinar as we're gonna show you to it. But I want to leave you with this. AI is here and it's not going anywhere, okay? It is moving rapidly every single day. So since you know it's not going anywhere, you might as well figure out a way that you can capitalize on it and stuff a bunch of money in your bank account. Now, I'm going to be dropping more videos like this. If you enjoyed this, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you drop a comment, and I will see you on the next one.